In this video, we explain the basics of TaxWare and show you how to use the most important functions. TaxWare divides the data into three sections. In the income assets tax calculator, these are variant, taxpayer, and tax domicile. In the first section, we enter the tax year and the type of partnership, for example, a married couple. In the second section, we enter the personal details. In our example, the husband is Protestant and the wife Catholic, and they have 2 children. In the third section, we enter the tax domicile, in this case, Bern. The tax data is entered below these sections. We will take an income of 120,000 francs for the Confederation and 110,000 for the canton, plus assets worth 650,000 francs. Once this data has been entered, the tax calculation appears. A total of 26,000 francs. Now we can save this data by clicking on the Save button at the top. We will give the file a name and save it in the relevant folder, for example, the one for the client in question. Next to the Save symbol is the symbol for printing out the tax calculation. In the Print dialog, we select the required report, here Income Assets Report for Single Domicile. Then click on the symbol Create PDF. We can print out this PDF or send it to the customer electronically. Now we want to show you various general features that you can find in TaxWare. First, the symbols in the variant section. By clicking on the green plus sign, we can create a new variant. We can give it a name, for example, relocation, if we want to compare 2 tax domiciles ahead of a change of residence. To have a better overview, we can hide this variant. By clicking on the 0, we can reset the data in this variant, and by clicking on the red X, we can delete the variant completely. The pencil symbol means that we can add details. In the template for personal data, for example, we can enter name, date of birth, and a number of other details. Clicking OK incorporates these details into the overview. The change to the symbol indicates that detailed data has been entered here. We can overwrite these details in the overview. For example, let's change the number of children to 3. A yellow corner indicates that we have altered something here. But we can return to the original value at any time. Just click anywhere in the box and reset it. The cantonal flag does more than indicate where the tax domicile is located. If we click on it, we will find a lot of information relating to that particular canton. For example, a link to the cantonal tax office. Or we can open the TaxWare portal page for that canton, which includes tax laws, guidelines, and a range of useful information about the canton in question. The way TaxWare is displayed can be adjusted to make it easier to get an overview. For example, by clicking on the small triangle in the top right-hand corner, we can hide the menu bar. We can collapse sections and expand them again. And the little plus sign enables us to either show or hide details. The TaxWare window can be adjusted, and the zoom function makes it possible to enlarge or reduce the size of the data display. For technical questions or questions about TaxWare, go to the Information tab. The items to be found here include the Knowledge box, a collection of information about Social Security. Next to the Knowledge box is a link to the TaxWare portal, which we have already seen. Over on the right is the Help Center bar. Here we can watch videos on various TaxWare-related subjects, in English where available, otherwise in German. Lower down, the question mark opens the detailed user's manual. We can check info mails sent by TaxWare, and under FAQ we can find answers to frequently asked questions. A click on the @ symbol takes us to the feedback form. Use this for questions or if you want to contact the TaxWare team. Our goal is to provide you with the best possible support so that TaxWare can give you exactly what you want.